If you haven't noticed yet, what you'll notice is the longer your function that you're given, the more terms you'll be working with, and sometimes it can be a little busy work, so be patient in there. I know you got this. So here we're given this function and we're asked to find the difference quotient. Let's go ahead and start by finding f of x plus h. So into the given function, we're going to remove any x's there are and replace it with x plus h. When we do so, it's going to look like so. In the previous video, I already showed you how to solve a binomial squared. You can either put it side by side in FOIL or use the square of binomial method. So once we do so, remember this is what we get. But the fact that we have that 2 outside, we have to use the distributive property. That's 2 times x squared, which is 2x squared, 2 times 2xh, which is 4xh, 2 times h squared, which is 2h squared. And then also, in addition, this group here that's in this parentheses, they have a negative in front, so we have to change their terms to their opposite. So once we do so, this is the result of finding f of x plus h. Now we're not done. We know our next step now is to take all of that and plug it into the front end of the difference quotient function. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So there it is, minus the function itself, and then all over h. Okay, so now it's time for us to cancel terms. What do you see that we can cancel? Yes, the 2x squares. What else? Yes, the x's. And one more. Yes, the 3's. Let's go ahead and write what we have left. So instead of putting an h underneath each term, yes, you can do it that way. Another way you could also do it is to factor out the common factor. So if you look at the top and you look to see what is it that these 3 terms have in common, all 3 terms have an h in common. So we can factor that h out. And once we do that, we can then cancel the common factor on top with the common factor on bottom, and we're simply left with our answer there.